Come test drive the 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ. The Cadillac LYRIQ is an all-electric luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with bold design. It features a spacious high-tech interior, impressive range, and sophisticated performance, offering a premium electric driving experience with Cadillac's signature style and innovation, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.